Hi everyone, this is a re-upload of Learning Point 103 about dead ground. To be honest, my last explanation was pants. If you're a full licence holder you probably understood what I was talking about, but this channel's aimed at novice drivers, so let's have another go. Let's have a look at the first clip. Good, yeah. Notice the little bit in front. It's what we call dead ground. Notice we can see the car with its lights on, but could you see if another car was coming? No. And that's what we call dead ground. And always be careful when you're overtaking anyone if you've got that little area of dead ground in front of you. Alright, it's classic that. So, what we've got ahead are two hills. They're only small ones, but there's an area in between where we can't see fully. And that's what dead ground is. As I drive a little bit further forward and we're going slightly down this slope, we can't see as much in that dip or dead ground. If there was someone overtaking and a car coming the other way, that would be lethal. Sorry for the silence everyone, another mess up. I'm having an absolute nightmare with this video. Someone rang on my phone. Now we've arrived at the bottom of this dip before the first hill, you watch the car come the other way. It disappears. And then it reappears again. And funnily enough, we did have a car overtaking us. It was still safe though, it had plenty of time to perform that. But you can see just by that single clip, the dangers of dead ground. Again, the black car in front has disappeared. And now it's reappeared again. I hope this makes more sense. It does still to me. So, with dead ground, literally don't overtake until you're absolutely certain it's clear. And also be aware of other people overtaking you. Thanks for watching.